Hey guys, welcome back to Matlock's Toy Room Reviews, and today I'm doing the final figure from the DC Universe Classics Wave 16. This is figure number 6, which is the Azrael Batman. A lot of people said, I've heard mixed things, a lot of people were looking forward to this, a lot of people didn't like it, whatever, or didn't care for it anyway. But me personally, I'm really looking forward to it. Comes with the right leg of Bane, which is the final piece, and I'll be reviewing him tomorrow. Here's a picture of the figure. A little bio, if you guys can read that. Probably not. A little bit of stats. And a quick look at the other figures that you need to complete Bane. Very awesome. This is made by Mattel in 2011. So let's take a quick break and we'll get him out of the package. Alright guys, and we're back with Azrael Batman, which is one of the coolest looking figures in this wave. First off, the right leg for Bane. Very awesome, have him complete now. I've been wanting a Bane for a long time, so that's awesome. And on to Azrael. First off, just a very nice looking figure. Very, very cool. I'm a big Batman fan, so all the Batman characters are really big for me. Cool bat logo there. Very awesome. It's got a nice gold and then a metallic blue and kind of silver on his lower torso there. And that just goes down into gray. One kind of thing that's kind of weird is these things on his leg. I expected to be hard plastic, but they're just a really, really soft rubber. Which I guess is okay. I mean, they're not going to break off easily, so that's nice. These on his back are real hard plastic, which are pretty cool looking. There's 3 on each. Would have been cool if you could have kind of moved them around, maybe some kind of like side hinges or something. Would have been cool looking. But definitely badass. Got these cool like gold hoses, kind of softer rubber. These things aren't as soft as the gray ones on his leg, maybe because they've been painted, but they're a little bit harder, but they still move around. Just a badass looking figure. Very cool. Articulation on this guy, his head does swivel just a little bit side to side, but it doesn't go very far. It is blocked, which this thing seems to be kind of a softer rubber, so it gives a little bit, but you're not going to get much movement out of that, and no up and down movement. As far as his shoulder guards are softer rubber, so you can kind of push his arms forward a little bit, but he does have ball jointed shoulders. Kind of unusual for DC right here, but he has ball jointed elbows. Kind of weird, never really seen that with DC. Get a swivel in the wrist. It doesn't really go back and forward very well. Up and down torso joint, which mine's really tight. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be locked up or not. Swivel in the waist. Standard DC-UC hip joints back and forward, in and out. Swivel at the thigh. Double jointed knees. Very awesome. And a back and forward pivot in the foot. So, nicely articulated. A little strange with the ball jointed elbows, though. I don't think I've seen a DC figure with that. If I have, I don't remember. So definitely kind of weird. Maybe they did that just because the armor and everything, they thought it'd work out a little better. Not sure. Not a big deal if they just do it, once or twice. I would definitely prefer double joints, but on this figure it doesn't seem to bother me just because of the way the armor is set up and everything. But anyways, I'd say this is definitely a must-have. Very awesome figure. So that was the Azrael Batman. Thanks for checking them out.